everyone, Amanda here. I promised I'd come and share my journal once it was complete, and here we are. This has been an absolute joy to make. It will be going on my Etsy shop. There is a link in the description box below. It's quite a new shop. Feel free to have a nose there. Feel free, if you want anything custom made, we can discuss whatever you want. So I've used the Artemis Purple Medley. I've used some of the lavender hues, and there are some bits and bobs in here from Janie B's Mabel's Garden. And I picked them because just mixed and matched a few things to go with the purple medley because they had purple in them, and I've tried to keep it all purple. So we've got a soft cover. It's a TN size, so it's like what is it, 8 by whatever. Let's have a look. So it is 4.5 by about 8 roughly. Okay, so we've got a soft cover made from beautiful cardstock, double layered, and it is called Highland Heather is the colour of the cardstock, and the inking that I've used is called Gorgeous Grape, and they're Stampin' Up colours. So it's a soft cover, but I have added digital images front and back. Okay, and then it has all been coated with the acrylic wax, which is what painters use to put over the top of the pictures so that they don't get water damaged, and it's supposed to stop the colours fading and that kind of thing, so it is all protected. We've got this lovely silver kind of applique on here. I did use some on another journal. The video is looking like it's not giving the colours justice. This has got beautiful vivid purple tones. This is the Gorgeous Grape dyed seam binding. So I've used the Stampin' Up's Gorgeous Grape, which is this really deep purple here. Beautiful, and dyed the seam binding closure. We've got eyelets, and we've got a metal plate here with the word memories. It's beautiful, hand sewn. We've just got the one signature with 64 pages front and back. So it's not a big chunky one, it's just really beautiful though. Okay, and I've really gone to town with the digital images on this one because they are beautiful. So in the front here we've got a pocket. I think this is from Lavender Hues, and in here I've stenciled on the back. I've stenciled throughout with the Tim Holtz Flourish stencil. I think it's called Flourish. I don't know what it's called. And here we've just got some journaling cards that I've stamped, and a couple of envelopes to whether you want to write notes to somebody or put memories in there. And there's a pocket exactly the same on the back cover. Okay, so here we've got beautiful image there, beautiful print. I've just got a new printer, and the quality of the prints are just beautiful. I use presentation paper for my digital images, so it's a little bit thicker than normal paper, and it's ultra smooth, so it really makes the colours vivid and beautiful. So we've got a little charm here. There's 4 charms throughout, paperclip charms, homemade by me and Alexia. And on the inside page here we've got a handmade pocket. I've made this myself out of one of the pages that I've printed out. We've got the background there is stenciled. We've got one of the tags that I made on my YouTube. It looks black on the video, but it is very deep purple, seam, what do you call it, thingamajig? What's it called? You know what it is. What's it called? Sarah Silk. Couldn't think then. Beautiful digital image. We've got a pocket envelope here. This is from the Lavender Hues. Another little paper clip with a dangle with a butterfly on. More stenciling. This is a vintage. It's not original. It's been printed out. It's like a vintage receipt bill, a large bill. So you can write on that, and it's got coffee stain on the back. This is ledger paper, another image, and then on the back of here we've got a lovely pocket that I've made. Says timeless, and in here we've got some massive ephemera here. This is from Old Design Shop. It's a big massive bill, beautiful, and I picked it because of that purpley blue kind of ink there, but you can write on the back of that. And then this one here is from Janie B's, I think, is it Janie B? I'll have to check her name because I'll probably be getting it wrong. This is from the Mabel's Garden, which is another kit that I've purchased ready to do a journal on, and I just thought it'd go nice with this one. I can't get that in. I'll put that back in a minute. I can't do it under pressure. We've got these beautiful, beautiful floral images here. Absolutely stunning. I want to say they're irises, but I'm not a botanist, so I don't know. I think they are. I think they are. Anyway, they're beautiful. And then here I've made a little side pocket with some beautiful, beautiful cardstock that's been inked and edge punched. It is sewn on them 3 sides. Some of the pages have got sewing, some haven't, because the reason being that I would have sewn all of them, but my thread came out of the eye on the needle and I can't see to rethread it, so it'll have to wait a bit till I've got a bit more patience. So I've made these little tags, I've put eyelets in them, and again we've got that deep purple, beautiful deep purple sari silk on there. My image, this is lined, and what I did was I printed it on both sides, so both sides have got the same image on, but it's just the other way around. We've got more ledger paper, beautiful, absolutely beautiful papers these, they're stunning. I've just stenciled on the back, I don't think it needs anything else. This is another huge handwritten kind of bill, and I have coffee stained on the back. Beautiful, beautiful images. Now you can still journal on these, you can write on them with black pen. If you wanted to, you could put sticky notes on, you could put gesso on and write over it, but you could write over that if you so desired, or use it to, you know, stick on with glue memories and receipts or photos. Stenciling, we've got more ledger paper because I like the nice neat lines of it. Beautiful again, it's just divine. It's the most beautiful kit. I love every kit that I use, and I think they're all beautiful. But this one, I think I really like the purple tones when I'm making journals. I like it when they've got a colour theme, rather than just plain vintage. And like I've made these are for another journal that I'm doing, so the vintage like tea stained and like browns. And I really love them, but I think I enjoy even more when a journal's got a colour theme. So this one's obviously purple tones. I've got a blue one in the pipeline as well, and I think I enjoy those more, to be honest. I don't know why, just do. And look at that, centre signature, just look at that paper. This is the same page that I've used for the front and back cover, but I've just chopped it up. It's absolutely beautiful. The clarity of these images is absolutely second to none. And I've put 2 little flowers there, look, on their little thingies, threads. More ledger paper. That's the back side of one of the, it's a letter, a written letter is that one, and it's, I think, is it in French or English, can't remember. This is a large paper clip notebook that I made. I made it slightly different to how some people make them on YouTube, because I like to back mine with cardstock, and I found that if I glued it so you couldn't see the paper clip, then it made this stiff and you couldn't open it, so I've left it open. And then when this notebook's done, the person can reuse that paper clip anyway. So this has just got scraps and leftovers of the ledger paper where I've cut it short. I've sewn it there, so I've just reused those. Okay, I've just put a little paper clip there just to keep that so it stays shut, because it will bugging me. Okay, just because it's thick cardstock, that's all. More ledger paper, lovely for writing on. Okay, and that's the back side of that bill. Some more stenciling on the back of a digital image. more ledger paper, and this is more writing paper, and of course, as in the front, you get the same at the back. It's double-sided because I printed it on both sides. Alright, and this is another, this one's been sewn as well. Why did I sew that page? Can't remember. I've made a little pocket here with a little ephemera tag. Okay, which has been sewn. This one's all been sewn. It's got zigzag stitching until, which I did before my machine thread broke. We've got some cheesecloth there in the word happiness. Another one of those beautiful flowers and some more seam binding. Backed with some backing papers. Stenciled even on the back of there so nothing's plain and boring. And then I've added some more seam binding here. Not seam binding, sari silk. And just a little die cut with the word smile on. More digital image, more of this like accountancy paper. That's the back side, one of those bills. There's another little envelope you can put things in. Another little tag. Every page has been inked all the way around, so it's lovely. And this is the back, one of the pockets on the back with another one of the tags that I made. I did have showed you on a video whilst I was making them, and they were to go in there. And again, I just printed out an extra sheet and made a pocket for that side and a pocket for the front. I just cut it. So this is the back, and we've got the same in the back with the 2 index cards that have been stamped and the 2 envelopes there if you want to send somebody something or put your memories in. And then there's the back side, which is that beautiful, beautiful image. It's just divine. It's absolutely divine. I love it. And I've as I said, the seam binding's been hand dyed with the same colour ink that I've used throughout, so they're all matches and the shades match perfectly. And I've left it nice and long and luxurious and pretty, and it's just lovely. I will be sad to see this one go. It's absolutely been a joy to do. So there you go. You can see the little gloss there of the cover where I have protected it with that acrylic wax, so it will stay nice and lovely, and hopefully somebody will purchase it and put lovely memories in it and enjoy it as much as I've enjoyed making it. So there you go. Link to my Etsy is in the description box below. I'm going to have to go. I've got more journals to make. Can't stand your gas bagging all day. Take care. I'll see you very soon. Bye.